Hi, welcome on channel Show Me Your Code. In this tutorial I will show you how to build your first application using React. The application will be called Facebook Book of People. Our application will consist of two pages. The first page is homepage and there are our top users, as you can see. The second page, called Users, will contain people from our book. We build interface using library called Reactstrap. The library is based on Bootstrap version 4 and is well adapted to use with React. I will be using for developing the app Visual Studio Code, which I recommend. We will start with creating the basic structure of our application. But before we can start, you need to have installed Node.js and npm. I have already installed the software. I use Node.js version 10.13.2 and npm version 6.4.1. You can download them from the Node.js org. When you install the software, then we can start creating the app. We will do it using command npx create React app. I will call the application Facebook First App. npx is a command which enable us to run packages from the terminal. npx is bundled to npm from version 5.2. Good. Let's see if the application was successfully installed. So firstly we need to go to the root directory of our project. We will use command npm start to run the application. All the commands you can see in readme file, which is attached to the newly created app. Great. Our application is working fine. Now we will add the library Reactstrap. Which helps us to create the layout of our application. We will add the navbar component, but firstly we need to add the library to our project. We will install the library using npm with command npm install. npm install with parameter safe. The parameter safe enables adding the library to package.json. It's very important because if we don't do this, we won't use the library in the future. I mean, if someone downloads the project and run npm install, the library won't be installed. So it's very important. Yeah, I didn't install it in the right directory. Let me fix this. And that's why the second node module was created. I will remove it. Also package log.json. Good. Now we can see that our library was added to the project. Now let's add navbar to the main component. When we talk about React, all the components need to extend component class, which has method render. The render method returns single tag. The syntax is similar to HTML, but it's not. It's JSX. This is the combination of HTML and JavaScript. This syntax is transformed to HTML by Babel transpilator. Let's create the navbar. Let's copy the whole content and then we modify it. Our application will have the same navbar as on the Reactstrap page. But firstly we need to add imports. Let's see how looks our application. Okay, let's fix the errors. At the moment we remove all the unnecessary tags and parameters. The next thing which is necessary to do is to add Bootstrap styles. Now we can see how it looks without them. In order to add the styles to our project, we need to install Bootstrap. We will do it as we install Reactstrap. I will use npm install with parameter save. Okay, Now we need to add our styles to the project. Explicitly to index.js. Now you can see that styles from index.css are imported. But now we want to import the styles from Bootstrap file. We can use it, for example, add styles from the node modules. Bootstrap, list, CSS, Bootstrap, min, CSS. Now our application looks much better. Let's modify the title and the elements of navigation bar. I will call it Facebook, People Book, and add element called Home, which we redirect to our home page, and the second element called Users, which redirects to our People Book. The other elements I will remove because I don't need them now. Good. Now we need to add one more element. The element represents our welcome page. Great. The first part of our application is done. In the next video we will continue building homepage. Take care, bye.